Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install the AirPlay app on Fire TV. So get the Fire TV loaded and hop onto the top menu. Now, at the top menu, you find the search icon. Right here in the top menu, one step below, you find the search icon. So click on search. I'm going to navigate all the way to the app of choice by typing it. So type in AirPlay. So AIR, as you type, keep note of the suggestions coming up. So you find AirPlay right there. Click on AirPlay, and this is the application with the blue background. That is the one you want. Click on it to launch, and you're going to find the download button. So when the download button is ready, click on it, and you have the download comments. So be patient, the download complete. This could take a couple of seconds to just a minute, depending on internet connection, and when it's completed the download, you have an automatic installation process. So as it installs, be patient. It may take you longer or shorter. Immediate installation is when you have this app available in your app library. Alternatively, you could click on the open app button with the OK right on the screen and open the app immediately. So that is it. The app is ready for enjoyment. If you got value from this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll do more tutorials for you just like this one.